On spinner A, there's only a little bit of black. So it's unlikely that we're going to land on the black piece for spinner A. But in spinner B, most of it's filled with black, so it is likely that we will land on black. C has no black in it, so it would be impossible to land on black. D is half white and half black, so it is equally likely to land on white or to land on black. And spinner E is entirely black, so we are certainly going to land on a black spot. Two asks us to figure out if it's likely, unlikely, impossible for each of these given scenarios. So we have, in scenario A, it says a vowel from the word Lu. There are 3 vowels in Lu, which is most of the letters, so it is likely that we will land on or pick a vowel. B asks about the word math. There's only 1 vowel in math, so it's unlikely because there's only 1, which is a small amount out of the 4. C. A blue cube is drawn from a bag containing 5 blue and 5 black. Well, since there's an equal amount of both colors, it is equally likely that we will choose a blue cube as it is for choosing a black cube. A red cube is drawn from a bag of 100 red cubes. Well, since all of them are red, it is certain that we will pull out a red cube. There's 10 red in this bag and 90 blue. Since there are less red, but there's still red there, it's going to be unlikely. It is still possible because there are some red, but since there's less red, it's going to be unlikely. Then in number 3, we have a diagram with some shapes. And there are 9 shapes in all. And it says in part A, the circle is drawn. Are there any circles in that diagram? No, so it's impossible to get a circle, and the event was labeled A. So we're going to put A over here with the 0% chance or the 0 probability, and then certain would have a 1 because 1 is the same as 100% as a decimal. Then in the middle we'll put the half. B, a square is drawn. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 squares out of 9. 4 is less than half. So we're going to put event B just a little bit under the halfway mark. C says a star is drawn. There's 1 star, which is even less than the amount of squares. So we're going to put event C even below B, but it is still possible, so it needs to be above the circle question. And D says a shape that is not a square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 9. That's more than half. So we're going to put event D right above the halfway point.